New at 5, 2 counties in the Shoals have hit record-breaking numbers for the amount of tornadoes that have hit the area so far this year. News 19 Shoals Bureau Chief Whitney Leibold takes a closer look at the recent outbreaks.
Several people living in the Shoals have heard this sound numerous times over the past 6 months.
Thus far, Lauderdale County has already confirmed 8 tornadoes that have impacted our area. That beats the 2004 record of 6. And I think it's important to note that even with the 2004 record, that was over the course of 365 days.
8 tornadoes in Lauderdale County and at least 5 in Colbert County so far this year, devastating several parts of the Shoals.
We have tornadoes that can happen during the summer months, although they're not quite as common as the fall and the spring.
According to our certified chief meteorologist Danielle Dozier, June 1st marks the beginning of hurricane season that can also affect our area.
So hurricanes do indirectly affect us here across the Tennessee Valley. We get heavy rain, we can get flooding, we also can get really gusty winds as well as a tornado threat anytime we have hurricanes making landfall and then coming inland here to the Tennessee Valley.
Whether you are heading to the Gulf Coast for a summer trip or staying right here in the Shoals, stay weather aware and prepared.
Severe weather can happen anytime, regardless of whether or not we're in season or out of season. Make preparations and constantly have ways to receive information.
In Lauderdale County, Whitney Leibold, News 19.
And luckily, there have been no fatalities with the past tornadoes.